P-block elements Part 6 Halides. The elements of group 17 are commonly called halogen. Halides are the binary compounds of which one part of it is an element and another part is an halogen.
Now we are going to discuss halides of the p-block elements. First we have to look 13th group elements. The elements of group 13 form number of trihalides as well as lower halides. All form MX3 except thallium, which form monohalide. For example, BF3, BCl3, BBr3, Bi3. These all are sp2 hybridization and having the trigonal planar structure. All of them are volatile, highly reactive and monomeric. Here BF3, BCl3 are gases at room temperature, BBr3 are volatile liquid and Bi3 are solid. Next properties. First one, covalent nature. Due to small size and high ionization energy, trihalides of boron are covalent. Those of aluminium are also covalent in vapor state and in benzene and exist as a dimer. Here giving the structure of the BF3 and dimer of aluminium halide Al2Cl6. Next one, acidic nature. Here the relative strength of trihalides of boron to accept a pair of electrons and thus act as a Lewis acid. The power to accept the electron pair is found to be decreased in the order BF3 less than BCl3 less than BBr3 less than Bi3. This order is, we can see that it is the reverse of what we expected normally, because we know that electronegativity, we are looking to the electronegativity of these halogens. Fluorine is the more electronegative and the BF3 may be more acidic, but actually happens is reverse. This anomalous behavior can be explained on the basis of tendency of halogen atoms to back donate its electrons to the boron atom. That is, we have to look p-pi back bonding. In PF3 there is maximum p-pi back bonding and may less electron deficient. In PF3 molecule, the 2p orbitals of each fluorine atoms are fully filled and one of the 2p orbitals of boron atom is vacant. So there is an effective overlapping is easily possible because of the both orbitals belong to the same energy level. So that p-pi bond is possible in BF3 more effectively. And this type of bond is called back bonding, and BF bond has some double bond character. That's why we can see this BF3 from among this is weakest acid and Bi3 is the more acidic. Next one is hydrolysis. Boron trihalide react with water to form H3BO3 boric acid plus HX, where X equal to chlorine, bromine and iodine. Another example, AlCl3 plus 3H2O gives AlOH thrice plus 3HCl. Next, we are looking to the halides of group 14 elements. Here, all the elements of this group form tetrahalides, which are mostly covalent, which having the formula MX4. For example, CF4, SiF4, GeF4, these all are gases. SnF4, PbF4, these are solids. Except carbon and silicon, others form MX2, that is dihalides. The stability increases down the group. The stability of MX2 forming compounds increases down the group. This is due to inert pair effect that I already discussed. Inert pair effect. Due to that, the stability of +2 oxidation state increases down the group. Properties. First one, covalent nature. All tetrahalides are covalent and have tetrahedral shape. Second property, hydrolysis. Here given, CCl4 does not undergo hydrolysis, but SiCl4 undergo hydrolysis. This is because tetrahalides of carbons are seen here not hydrolyzed by water under normal condition, while other elements of other tetrahalides of in this group are readily hydrolyzed. The hydrolysis of tetrahalides of silicon and other elements is due to the availability of empty d orbital in the valence shell of the central atom. We know that carbon has no d orbital. One more time I am repeating. Silicon has vacant d orbital to accept electron pairs donated by water, but carbon does not have vacant d orbital to accept electron pair. Next, I am giving the possible questions which have to be asked in university examination. The first question, draw the structure of Al2Cl6. Second one, BF3 is weaker Lewis acid than BCl3 and BBr3. Third one, what is back bonding? Fourth one, SiCl4 is hydrolyzed by water but CCl4 is not. And the fifth one, BCl3 is monomeric while AlCl3 is dimeric. These all question answers are discussed little before. So I am not repeating the answers of this question. Next, 15th group element. All of this directly combine with the halogens to form trihalides of the type MX3. Except NPR3 and Ni3, all are stable and pyramidal shape. Other than trihalides, phosphorus, arsenic, antimony form MX5 pentahalides, for example PCl5. Next, we can look the properties. First one, hydrolysis. NCl3 plus 3H2O gives NH3 plus 3HOCl, and second example, PCl3 plus 3H2O gives H3PO3 plus 3HCl. In above, one of the thing I forgotten to tell you, that is nitrogen and bismuth did not form MX5, that is pentahalides. Nitrogen does not form pentachloride because of non-availability of d orbital for excitation of electron. Bismuth does not form pentachloride due to inert pair effect. Pentachloride involve sp3 hybridization and have trigonal bipyramidal shape. Second property, they also act as Lewis acid, that is trihalides. For example, PF3 plus F2 gives PF5. The halides of 16th group element forming several compounds. For example, MX6, MX4, MX2, MX, MX5, etc. And MX6, example SF6, SEF6, TEF6. For MX4, SF4, SEF4, TEF4. For MX5, SF5. For MX2, SF2, SECl2, TEBr2. For MX, S2F2, S2Cl2, Se2Cl2. Oxygen forming halides are OF2 oxygen difluoride, Cl2O, Cl2O7, Br2O, I2O5. These are called oxides. Fluorine is more electronegative than oxygen, so OF2 is called oxygen difluoride. As oxygen is more electronegative than chlorine, bromine, iodine, their compounds with oxygen are called oxides. Next is the possible questions in university examination. The first one, SF6 is inert. Why? In SF6, sulfur is in sp3 due to hybridization. It have symmetrical structure and it is octahedral. That's why it is inert. It does not undergo hydrolysis. The other two questions are, nitrogen does not form pentahalide. Why? And third question is, SF6 exists, SCl6 does not exist. Why? These are I already discussed.